Hello guys, welcome to the another video. In this particular video, we are going to unbox the Intern guitar. Guys, I have just purchased it from the Intern store, which is a right-handed acoustic guitar kit, which you can see with the bag and the strings. So I have purchased it in a color of black, and it has costed me about 1899. Like in a deal you can get it at a lesser price too, but I just was curious to get it, so I just got it for 1899. So this is how exactly you get the delivery inside this particular box. Let me go ahead and quickly unbox this. As you can see, I'm going ahead and I'm unboxing this, where you are seeing a bag which usually comes along with this. So this is a bag which is to keep the guitar, I believe. So this is exactly a zip, one-sided zip bag, and you're gonna get a string to hold that. Okay, so here would be the branding of the Intern. Let me just go ahead and take out the zip and see if any products are available over there. Let me just check out. I see something. Okay, I have seen that there are few strings along with this, as you can see, like additional strings. It gonna get the acoustic strings, guys. So that's it, I believe. Nothing much inside this particular bag, only this. Let me keep it aside. And this is the guitar. Let me just go ahead and take out from the cover. Oh my goodness, this really looks good, guys. Trust me, I mean, like the build quality and everything. See, this is very light in weight. As you can see, I'm just lifting it from just two fingers. Let me just go ahead and just show you how it looks from the rear end. So this is how exactly it looks, guys. It has one belt to go ahead and hold it. You can literally go ahead and enlarge this if you want, like according to you. But if you wanted a large enough, like, you may require to purchase an additional, but it is fine for this particular guitar, a basic one. So you can see this how exactly it looks like, guys. So this is it, nothing much, and everything. So this is a wooden based, guys. Just check the review. Inside it's completely a wooden. Okay, so let me just go show you a demo of it, a small demo. I'm not a professional, but I just know few chords, nothing else. Pardon me if I just go wrong. Here you go, guys. I'm just going ahead and I'm just testing this, how exactly it sounds like. So here you go, guys. Let me just go ahead and just test this guitar. I'm not a professional, but I would like to use this particular thing along with this. I've got it. So let's see. I'm just showing you the sound, so do not mind. I'm not at all like I'm just a beginner. That's the reason I've just got it. But anyhow, I'm just going ahead and testing this guitar, so you can see now.